orange and blue containers, and so much more. Hamburg suit and half-peg Lloyd, rumbling heavy through the mountain void. The pines stand tall on the jagged rise, underneath the hazy open skies. Oh, the engine moans a long distance sigh as the earth rolls on and the years go by. We move like iron, we move like breath, rolling on down the endless track. The mountains watch us drift away, unchanged by the heat of the day. Blue boxes stacked against the green, a steady rhythm in a quiet scene. From distant coasts to the canyon wall, you can hear the distant whistle call. A white truck passes in the morning light as the freight train fades into the white. Passing through the pass, the long shadows cast, steel in the canyon. Silence is my companion.